Hey there, YouTube friends. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, I've got some exciting news from the world of YouTube that's going to be a game changer for all of us content creators out there. YouTube has just rolled out a fantastic new tool called Erase Song, and trust me, it's about to solve one of our biggest headaches: copyright issues with music. This updated tool uses AI to remove the song while keeping your dialogue and other sounds intact. YouTube explains it like this: remove the claimed song while keeping other sounds such as speech, or mute all sound. How cool is that? But wait, it gets even better. This tool uses AI to keep your voice and other sound effects intact. That means no more having to mute your entire video just because of one little song. Now, YouTube's been upfront about a few things. This tool might not always work perfectly, especially if the song is tricky to separate, or if your video has over 100,000 views. But hey, it's still a huge step in the right direction. Folks, this news shows that YouTube is really listening to us creators and trying to solve our problems. What do you think? How much do you think this new tool will help us out? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest YouTube news. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.